Hi, this is Tim Rozansky with PDQ Restoration. Today, I'm going to go over how to make a quick water damage assessment, the essential insights for homeowners. Water damage can happen suddenly, but a fast assessment can prevent costly repairs and serious issues like mold and structural damage. Here's what to do. Step 1. Identify the source. Find where the water is coming from. Common sources include leaking toilets, dripping sinks, and roof leaks, and often broken and burst pipes. Stopping the water flow quickly prevents further damage. Step 2. Assess the damage. Look for wet spots on walls, ceilings, and floors. Use a moisture meter, you can get one from Amazon, to detect hidden dampness. High humidity levels can worsen damage, so also monitor the air. Step 3. Protect your belongings. Move valuable items to a dry area, lift furniture off wet floors, and use waterproof covers to prevent further damage. Step 4. Start drying immediately. Open windows and use fans to increase airflow. Run dehumidifiers to reduce moisture levels. Use towels, mops, and wet vacuums to remove any standing water. Step 5. Clean and sanitize. Disinfect all affected surfaces, especially in kitchens and bathrooms where bacteria and mold thrive. Step 6. Watch for mold growth. Even after drying, mold can form. Check for musty odors and dark spots. If mold appears, act fast to remove it before it spreads. Most specifically, always make sure to hire a water damage professional. Water damage can escalate quickly, so please call PDQ Restoration if you have any questions and can't do it yourself.